Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the coin cell battery, loosen the 2 screws on the side cover and slide the cover off the system. Identify and unlatch the coin cell battery to remove it from the system. To reinstall the coin cell battery, place it back in the system and press it down until it clicks. Secure the side cover by tightening the 2 screws. For more information about your DELL system, visit dell.com/support.